I'm a visual artist, mainly working in painting and drawing and new media. I worked closely with the Vancouver Art Gallery over the last several years in mounting a project called Retainers of Anarchy that was on view at the gallery last year from March 2017. My first experience with the Vancouver Art Gallery was in 2007. I was stunned by a Wang Yongping exhibition, The House of Oracles. And that was the first time I saw contemporary Chinese art in person. And it had a very lasting impact on me. And I would say probably nudged me into relocating to Vancouver. I feel that my role is to advocate for more diasporic artistic practices. Diasporic narratives and perspectives help broaden perspective, so things don't have to be looked at from the center outward, but just that there's an array of things kind of standing side by side, experiences that stand side by side with each other. A new gallery can contribute to community building by maintaining the current gallery's kind of successful role as a site, a community site for gathering. Based on the designs I've seen, that's been well considered, and there is a well-designed public space. As someone visiting Vancouver, the museum marks our identity. It's very important in writing our story. And I think that has like spin-off benefits. If people want to invest in a city that they know they're excited about. And I think the art production in the city is very exciting. But not too many people know that. And then you have a world-class space, and then more people can visit it and learn more about what the province has to offer.